To access and pay your Mood Media invoices, review payment history, and download account statements, log into your account at billing.moodmedia.com. Users of this website will receive a welcome email to set up their account. In the email, select the link, create your password, and set up a password to begin. Access your account at the login screen using the identifier number and your newly created password. The identifier number will be your account number. It is 6 or 7 digits long and found in your welcome email. Select Login to login. If you forgot your password, select the link, Forgot your password, and then send instructions to reset it. If you have not received a welcome email and need access to the portal, in the website billing.moodmedia.com, select the hyperlink, Self-Registration link, and follow the instructions and prompts to self-register. For additional help, contact us via chat or web form at support.moodmedia.com.